Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for the previous prompt which you gave in Gemini AI. Go to your Chrome browser, search for Gemini AI, go to its official page, and you can see the drop-down menu in the left-hand corner. From here, you can have access to the previous prompts which you gave to the Gemini AI. You can go ahead and click on Show More and it will show all of the prompts or all of the conversations you have with it. You can go ahead and look at all of these and get the info for what you want to do next. Just go to Gemini AI, click on the drop down menu and you can see all of the previous prompts which you gave. So this was a video on how you can see the previous prompts from Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.